amazing families, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are also welcome back. I want to use this medium to thank everyone for subscribing to the channel, dropping comments, liking the video, sharing our videos. I'm so grateful. I'm super grateful to you guys. Thank you so much for showing us so much love. I am grateful. And if you haven't subscribed, thank you for not subscribing. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos and not subscribing. I'm also grateful to have you in this channel. I want to ask you people for a favor. Okay, this is the first time I'm going to be doing something like this in this channel. When I created this channel, I was posting a lot of things here. I was posting food tutorials, like snack here. I was posting a lot before I concluded that okay, this channel is strictly going to be for fashion, clothes, hair, anything that has to do with fashion. Okay, I stopped posting food tutorials here. I mean snacks and other things like that, like cooking, anything that has to do with cooking here. And there's another channel that I had that I've created that channel for long now, but I wasn't really posting much there because I wasn't really putting more energy in that place. So like 2 months ago, I decided to now start engaging that channel, start growing that channel also. Instead of just forgetting all those cooking videos that I've been doing before, I decided to start uploading those videos in that channel. Okay, so what I want you guys to do for me now is, if you're interested in cooking, anything that has to do with cooking, because I've done a lot of tutorials there, cake tutorials, snacks, different how to bake different things, chocolate cake, different things on that channel, anything that has to do with food. If you are interested, please, if you are not interested, don't bother, because it's one thing to subscribe there and it's another thing to engage with the contents that are there. If you are not interested, please don't worry, don't bother. If you are interested in cooking tutorials, please, I want you guys to help subscribe to that channel. Please, let's take that channel to 1,000 subscribers within a week, please. I know we are 13,000 here and we can do it. Okay, so that is the favor I want to ask you guys for. Please help me go to that channel and subscribe. So I'll be dropping the link to that channel in the comment section, and also the name of the channel in the comment section. Please guys, help me. This is the first favor I'm going to be asking you guys for in this channel. Okay, so this is your little way of encouraging me and saying thank you to me if you have learned anything at all from my channel. Okay, so please do me a favor by subscribing, liking the video, engaging with the video. Okay, that is the only favor I'm asking you guys. So I'm not asking you for anything, for money, for anything. I'm just asking you to help grow that channel, support that channel by subscribing, engaging with the video, liking, and drop a comment. When you get it, drop a comment that you are from Q-Est Fashion Hub. Okay, just type Q-Est. Okay, when you type Q-Est, I will understand that okay, you are my family from here that came to help support the other channel. Please, that's a favor I'm asking you guys for. Please support that channel to grow. Thank you so much for your support. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye.